everyone, I'm Alina. Welcome to our twins channel. Today we make a Valentine's Day photo shoot, but it's not a simple photo shoot. We will show you how we did this beautiful background, and we also did our own angel wings. I will be making a background for our photo shoot. I will just have a lot of fabrics and I will put them on the doors. We usually have only one fabric, but today we will be having a lot of different fabrics. So I have a lot of white fabric and also this velvet. I think I will start with white fabric. We will have a lot of layers. Now we have the last layer. I'm not sure if I want to use it, but I guess I can. It's finally ready, and now I want to put these decorations, if it's possible. Yeah, that's good. Beautiful. I did some little ones. I need to decorate lower part more. I can't believe I did it. It looks really cool. So we called it a Cupid photoshoot. Beautiful dress. It's like perfect for Valentine's Day. And makeup with pearls. See, behind us, these are like love letters here, and also I want to Photoshop some letters that are flying around, and also maybe some rose petals. We tried so much our outfits in like two colors, red and white, but I had to add black, you know, because it's me. that you enjoyed the process of making our wings and making the wall behind our back photoshoot. Yeah, and the process of the photoshoot. We actually had so much fun, and this photoshoot was made fully at home with some like fabric leftovers, and some of like these were the wrapping for the flowers, and I kept it, and also ribbons just from the some bouquets of flowers. Everything can make a beautiful proper photoshoot. So you don't even have to go to the some studio or anywhere, which is great. And also, if you feel sad about Valentine's Day, you can just have a hangover with your best friends or your family. As you can see, we had a lot of fun together. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!